Have you ever had one of those moments where your life just changes overnight? Not slowly, not over the years, just overnight. One day you're making plans for next month, and the next day you're sitting there wondering what the hell just happened to everything what I had built. A lot of men know exactly what I'm talking about. We don't really talk about it much, just carry it inside. And that's what I want to talk about today. Not motivation, not success stories, just the actual truth of what it feels like. When people talk about men, they usually talk about strength, work harder, be stronger, keep going. But nobody really talks about what's happening underneath all of that. The pressure, the responsibility, that feeling where people are depending on you whether you are okay or not. As men get older, that pressure just gets heavier and heavier. Your parents are getting older, the bills are getting bigger, you have more responsibilities, and sometimes you feel like you are carrying everything on your own shoulders. I know that feeling because a few years back my life completely changed. I had a business at that time. Like most business owners, I had workers. I had workers who I need to pay. I had vendors. I had customers waiting for their orders. One morning, I'm sitting doing the payments online. Just another normal day, or so I thought so. The account didn't have enough money in it. I thought maybe there was a banking error or something, so I checked again. Then I called the bank to see what was happening. What they told me didn't make any sense at first. Large amounts of money have been transferred out, and the transfers had gone to my business partner's wife's account, the same partner that I trusted. I tried calling him after that, but nothing happened. His phone was switched off. The family had disappeared overnight from the city, and just like that, years of work was gone. People usually think that losing the money is the hardest part of something like this, but for me, it wasn't. The hardest part was waking up the next and having to keep going. Life doesn't stop because you're hurting. The bills don't stop coming. Your responsibilities don't disappear. People still expect out of you to function and show up. I had workers who were depending on me for their salary. I had a family depending on me. And honestly, there were so many days where I had no idea how I was going to get through the next 24 hours. Some days I still don't even know. That's the real version, not the version you see on YouTube. The actual truth. The stress that comes from all of this, it eventually showed up in my body. My blood pressure shot up really high. My sugar levels became a problem. Then I suffered a brain clot. I wasn't thinking about myself or my own pain. I was thinking about my wife and what would happen to her if something happened to me. What happens to all the debt that I was carrying? What happens to the burden that I am leaving behind for her? That fear, it stayed with me for a very, very long time. Then something happened that I wasn't expecting. My son was born. And no, having a child didn't magically fix all of my problems. Debt was still there. Stress was there. Life didn't suddenly become easy, but something shifted inside me. I realized I couldn't stay broken for a very long time now. There was a little boy watching me every single day, learning from me, depending on me, and I was teaching him something every day, whether I knew it or not. I could teach him to quit when things get hard, or I could teach him to keep going even when it is impossible. So here's what actually happened next. I didn't have a magic solution. I didn't suddenly get the money back or fix everything overnight. What I did was I started saying no to things that were draining me. I took a job that was below my profile just to have a stable income coming in. I called every single worker I had let down and I told them the truth instead of making excuses. The hardest conversation was with my wife. I told her everything, the debt, the fear, all of it. We made a plan together. It wasn't a perfect plan, but it was real. That's when things actually started shifting. I'm making this video because I know there are men going through stuff right now that they never talk about: money problems, stress, fear, loneliness, starting over when you're not young anymore. Most men never see it happening. They just see a man going about his day like everything is fine. But inside, they often an entire battle taking place that nobody knows about. If you ever felt that way, you're not the only one going through it. I'm not making this video because I've figured everything out. I haven't. I'm still rebuilding, still learning, still trying to get it right, still showing up even on the days when I don't feel like it. And maybe that's what the second half of life really is. Not having all the answers, just choosing the refusal to quit. If any part of this connected with you, I want to hear your story in the comments. I am genuinely interested. And if you're rebuilding too right now, maybe we can walk this road together.